Right now, you're looking live at an intersection in Hollywood, one of many in South Florida now equipped with cameras to catch red light runners. Local courts may soon put the legal brakes on red light cameras. Judges in Miami-Dade and Broward counties are being asked to order local cities to stop using those cameras because they violate drivers' constitutional rights. Local 10's Roger Losi talked with the traffic court judge all about the situation, too. Roger.
You know, Calvin, these red light cameras have been generating a lot of money for cities all over South Florida, but lately judges have been capping the flow of cash by siding with drivers and dismissing their tickets. Well, now, if this local attorney has his way, this roadside peep show will be shut down for good. Red light camera traffic court in Miami-Dade County, and the word of the day, dismissed.
That's not my car.
This woman got a ticket intended for someone else.
That's not you on the video?
No.
And this guy was ticketed for the same violation twice.
The same picture, the same everything.
One after another. For one reason or another, drivers caught on camera running a red are sent home happy. In fact, local ticket attorneys report a majority of their red light camera cases are getting tossed.
So far, we have not lost any cases.
If Fort Lauderdale ticket attorney Ted Hollander has his way, these cameras will be powered down for good. He's filed legal motions in counties all across the state, calling the cameras unconstitutional.
And what this law is doing, it's putting the burden on the accused to prove that they're not the person who owns that vehicle. It's opposite of what our Constitution is based on.
There's no pedestrians.
Judge Stephen Leifman heads up the traffic court division in Miami-Dade County. Even he says there are serious flaws in the law. For example, drivers can turn right on red if it's done in a careful and prudent manner. Problem is, it's the police officer watching the video who determines what careful and prudent is. Leifman questions if public safety is really what's motivating cities to install red light cameras.
I do know that the municipalities make more money on the right turn on red cases because there's a lot more of them. But I don't know if the officers are under any particular pressure. I would hope not, but we're not.
It makes me believe it's a money-making issue as opposed to a safety issue.
And this is Hollander's motion right here. A judge in Broward will hear argument on it next week. Judge Leifman, the judge in our story, will take up the matter later next month. And we should tell you that either of those judges would have the ability to rule these cameras unconstitutional and shut them down completely in Dade and Broward counties. No doubt any decision that they make in that way would be appealed. The wheels of justice move obviously very slowly, but Calvin and Lori, we can tell you that at least when it comes to red light cameras here in South Florida, the wheels are moving.
Well, if this does happen, this could be sort of a legal earthquake that could have aftershocks that could affect a lot of cities all around the country, too, as well, Roger.
That's absolutely right. In some cases, some states have already ruled that these cameras cannot be used for red light turns, only for straight-through red light violators, and that may be where this issue is headed. So many possibilities and so many decisions that still need to be made, but these cameras are definitely unpopular, and there's attorneys out there fighting for drivers.
We'll be talking about this in days to come. Roger Losi live for us in the city of Hollywood.